Beauty Advisor One-on-One. The technology breakthrough of Beauty Advisor One-on-One brings personalized connections to the web. Powered by augmented reality makeup try-on for a truly unique experience. Beauty Advisor One-on-One web module takes YouCam Makeup's BA consultation experience to a brand's website. It allows you to connect with a beauty advisor, and the magic is really in the integrated makeup virtual try-on, with categories including lip color, blush, foundation, eyeliner, eyelashes, eyeshadow, and of course looks. Taylor and Michelle are going to walk you through a demo now.
Hello and good afternoon. My name is Taylor. I'll be your beauty advisor today. How can I assist you?
Hi Taylor, how are you?
Doing well.
So, thank you for your time. I am calling because I really need your help today. I am looking for a new look for my birthday next weekend. I'm going to be wearing an all black dress, and I'm looking for, some fun, some shimmer, some color to really bring together the full look.
Okay, well, nice to meet you, Michelle, and happy birthday. Super exciting. Have you ever used a virtual beauty service before?
I have not.
Okay, so just a few things. I love the ability that we can do so many different things and try on multiple looks at a time. I have a few ideas for you, so I'm going to actually try one of them on you right now. So we have a few celebrity-inspired looks, so this is going to give you the full effect. There you go.
Oh,
So
this is so
you can see you have a
cool.
lip color, some cheek, and some eyeshadow and a little bit of liner. So this is a full design look, just to give you an idea, and I think it actually looks really great on you.
I love this.
But let's try another one, just so you can see some variety. So there's this one as well. Okay. And you'll see the lip is a little bit more punchy, has a little bit more vibrant color, and the eye is also a little bit different as well. What do we think?
I love the shimmer of the eyes.
I agree. What about the lip color? Maybe we can try something a little different. I was thinking perhaps a gloss.
Yeah, gloss would be good. I trust you.
Okay. So let's try this one on you. Okay. What do we think?
Oh, this is pretty. I like the shimmer in this.
I love a good gloss, and I think it's great for when you're going out. Let me try another color, though. I think I'm going to lift it just a little bit. Okay. I like this one even better. It's a little bit more muted.
I like this.
Yeah.
Thank
It matches,
you.
actually, it matches your hair color really well, too.
I love it. Thank you.
Yeah, let's go with this. Of course. And as you can kind of see, like everything is, since you never used a virtual service before, all of the colors that we use are handpicked by the artists and the brands to be as close as possible. So, I mean, everything is I should say, it's exactly the same as a real product. So everything we're trying on is true to life. It's been approved by the brand. So this is as close to real life as you're going to get.
Great.
So that's
Thank you.
beautiful features I love, because everything I'm trying on you is exactly how it's going to look on you in person. So I'm putting a little blush on you. Do you wear blush, Michelle?
I do. So this is perfect.
Okay, great. Yeah, I mean, if we're going to get a full look, we have to get the full experience, right?
Exactly.
Okay. Okay, so what do we think? I picked a color that's a little bit more muted and soft for you. I think if you do too much of everything, you do a full cheek, full lip, full eye, it can be too much. So I think maybe like a nice lip, a beautiful eye, and like a muted soft cheek can be really pretty and still flirty at the same time.
I love that. Thank you.
I'm also going to add mascara because what's a going out look without mascara? So We're going to apply that to you as well.
Oh, I like this.
There
this
we
is
are.
Good.
And then I'm going to do just a little liner on you as well in this shape and shade. Okay. There we are.
Oh, I really like
I think
this.
that just polishes, that polishes the look off just perfectly. Amazing. What do we think of the whole eye look?
No, this is great. I'm not usually wearing eyeliner, but I love it for this look. So thank you for letting me try that.
Opens up your eye. I think it looks fabulous.
Thank you.
Great. Michelle, is there anything else I could find for you? I mean, I know we have like a full look. I wanted to just, recap with you. We have on the celebrity-inspired eyeshadow, we have the lip color, blush, eyeliner, and mascara. Was there anything else I could get for you today?
This is all I need. Thank you. You've been very helpful.
Of course, anytime. If you ever want to, reach me again so that we can maybe try on some more colors, or if you wanted to just a recap of what we did today, you can always reach me in my inbox when we're done with the call. Or if you see we also have my hours listed as well, so we can always chat that way too whenever I'm available. So I'd be happy to run through with this again with you.
Thank you. This has been very helpful, and I'm excited to get it all in the mail.
Fantastic. The cart should be on your side, so you just have to drag the items up there and apply them in.
Okay.
And then it'll direct you right to the site for purchase. So if you have, is there any other questions, or are you all set?
I'm great. Thank you so much for your help, Taylor.
Happy birthday, Michelle, and enjoy your event next weekend.
Thank you. Bye.
You got it. Bye-bye.